Hello friends, now we are going to learn how to install Hadoop cluster on single node. So first of all we have to install Oracle VMbox, VirtualBox, okay, and on VirtualBox we are going to add a new node. Say I am clicking on new and name it as master node. And we always install Hadoop on Linux OS in industry. So select the type to Linux OS and version. You can select anything, but I am selecting just Ubuntu 64-bit. Okay, then click on next. In next screenshot you can see the memory size selection. So to install Hadoop, the minimum requirement as per the official website, the minimum requirement is 8 GB RAM, 8 GB of RAM. Okay, but my system has only 6 GB of RAM, so you can still install it on the system. So I'm just selecting and providing around 2.5 GB of RAM to our master node. Okay, to that I'm clicking next, create new virtual. Okay, and select the VDA VirtualBox disk image, then click on next, dynamically allocated, click next. Here the size of the master node is by default is 8 GB, so you can increase it. Since Hadoop work on large data set, so just increase it to at least 20 GB so that you can practically work on large data set. Okay, so I'm selecting it around 21 GB. Okay, then just click on create. So it will create a node named master. After creating it, just select the master node and click on start, or you can double click on master, so it will go to this. Okay, so here you can select the ISO file of Ubuntu. Okay, my Ubuntu file is disk image file is here, which is 64 MB 64-bit file. Okay, so I'm just selecting it, clicking on open and click on start. So it is just loading the Ubuntu disk image file. Yes. Okay. Select to English and install Ubuntu. Click on install Ubuntu. Okay, please note that while installing it, just click on continue. Install now. Then select the country where you belong to and location, and then click on continue. Select your name. I'm saying it as master, and the computer name is by default is master VirtualBox. Username is master. I am selecting password as a master. Confirmation password as a master. Okay, requirement password, and then click on continue. It is installing. It will take some time, around 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, installation is complete, so we have to restart it now. So click on restart now. After restarting the system, okay, it is restarting. So I am entering the password of my master node and click on enter. Yeah, so see, by default, my Linux system is not showing in full screen. Okay, so to show it on full screen, you have to do one thing. Just press your right hand control button and click on F. Okay, so this pop-up will show you. So just click on switch. Then after that, in below, you will see devices. Okay, in devices you will see insert guest additional disk image. So just click on this. Yeah, after that, if you see it, just click on run. It will ask password, so just give the password of your master node and click on authenticate. So it will install guest addition, VirtualBox guest addition, so you can work in full screen as well. So it will take some time. Okay, just click on enter. So, click on close and just restart it. Now just shut it down, and after restarting we will see our master node in full screen. So just wait and see it. Okay, so it is powered off. Now I am just again starting it. Okay, so we are seeing our master node in full screen. So just give the password of master node and it will take to the master node system, which is Linux system, which we are currently installed on. Okay, so our Linux system is installed on Oracle VirtualBox. Now our next step is to install our Hadoop cluster on this system. So we will see this installation step in our next slide. Okay, next video.